Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to fix Roblox error 267. So if you are banned from a particular experience on Roblox, I'm going to be showing you exactly what to do. Don't forget to follow along as we dive into this tutorial. So the first thing you want to do on your PC is go to the search bar right there and then just type in Roblox. It will say best match and then Roblox player. What you want to do now is right click onto Roblox player and then click on open file location. Once you open up the file location, you'll see it says Roblox player. What you want to do is you want to rename this. So you just want to put Roblox player 1, or you could put Roblox player 2, whatever you want to change it to. Change the file name of the Roblox player. Then you can right click on that. You can go to properties, and what you want to do now is head to the compatibility section. So click on to compatibility, and what you want to do is run this program in compatibility mode 4, and then you select that, and what you can select here is Windows 8. You click apply, then you click OK, and then you see if you can get back into the Roblox experience. If you still cannot do that, what you can do is you can close out of all of that, go back to your search bar, type in Roblox, you'll see Roblox player. You want to click onto Roblox player. Okay, the Roblox player will load up like this. For some reason, for me, it's getting stuck here in the center. But what you want to do is go into the Roblox player, log out of it by going to the settings and then clicking on log out. And then if you have an alt account on Roblox, you can log in with your alt account, and then you'll be able to get into that experience. So it's just a matter of logging in. Okay, so it went in now. So I'll show you. You go to more, click on more, then you click on log out at the bottom, and then you log in using your alt account, and then you'll be able to get into the experience again. So if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.